Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to adjust screen brightness and enable auto brightness on Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to adjust your screen brightness or enable auto brightness, so let's see how can you do this. First, you just have to scroll down your control center and here you will get the brightness controller. You just have to press and move it to control your phone brightness. If you want to enable auto brightness, so here's the A option. You just have to select it and then it will customize your brightness. You just have to enable auto brightness. And there's the second way. You just have to open your settings. In settings, look for brightness or display. Here's the setting. Just select it and here's the brightness controller. Just press it and move it to control your phone brightness. And here's the auto brightness section. You just have to enable it if you want to enable your auto brightness. So that's how you can easily adjust screen brightness or enable auto brightness on Vivo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.